What's up YouTube? It's your boy Ty here, back with another video. Now this video is gonna be chill. It's not gonna be edited. It's just a straight one take video. But me just come on YouTube and I talk to you guys on a Sunday. You understand? I'm gonna make this like every Sunday. I come on YouTube and I just address some matters. Just relax and just talk about life with you. You understand me? I make have something to watch on a Sunday. You know what I mean? Push that early too. Yeah. Now, topic some more I want to talk about in this video is basically what really are going on in Jamaica, yo? Why so much people are get slapped wet? You see me? Why? Listen, it's not only the incident to go on a mere pen on the robbery and them man there. Well, if I think me see I go on, me I watch some things from Instagram story them people I suppose. Downtown more than people get slapped for downtown for not what reason? What reason so much things are going get slapped people get slapped for? You see me? And basically, someone who wants to start YouTube, basically, like I'm a professional. Which professional am I? But anyways, just talk about YouTube to one can get started for YouTube one can do with that. And yeah, I'll just chill back and just chat about anything go on, you see me? So if you are new here, click on the video because you see what something about Jamaica. Touch the like button. And the reason why I subscribe to my channel is basically is because I am consistent. I'm going to post every 2 days consistent and I'm working now. I'm still going to post every 2 days, you understand? And yeah, just come chill with me. And if you don't drink, don't know, I want no water and drink one water. And thing. And comment on the views them for everything to this bit of your fart. You know I'm sure. But yeah. Anyways, comment on one. You see? Let me cut up there. I not cut out nothing. Straight one take. My camera stop record at 10 minutes. And my plan to me not gonna edit it, none of them series here. So every Sunday I post them. Shoot it and just post it. No long chat. It's gonna be a long 10 minutes talking to Uno, but yeah. But now something for go and do. So first one the incident we talk about them mobile man you know. Them about mobile, Jano, the Maple man you know. Yo. The man them do the thing like a movie. Me I talk about it like say something good and me I smile and all to you, but Jano, I'm nothing for smile about, brother. I don't know if I smile about. Me I watch the video, right? So the man there in the barber shop I record it, yo, and I hear everything while go on. I told everything play out, Jano. The man them well planned for it train. Yo, the man like what you say plan? Like man them watch a whole heap of movie me I tell you no. Man them watch a whole heap of movie there because told the man there man say lock off the door. Be up, leg up here, shut up there. Nah make me nah hype it up. Come back don't try. I tell some energy stay on YouTube, you understand people, me love. I play them, and me overall is a very entertaining person. If you know me, and my friend them can tell you I'm very entertaining. So consider subscribing if you do. But anyways, that go on. So the man them come out to escape, people have to say police them. Me believe so too. Them train, trust me them train. And next reason why I think say police them, you at the video we go out, so everybody watch. You see one of the gun boy them, gunman them, one of the gangster them, like one of the robbers them basically. Left out of the vehicle. Him never go in on the pro back, one of the pro backs there. Everybody just gone in the car and drive and a drive off. Him just a walk with him gun so. Why the police they shoot him? Why them never see him? Why them never have no bullet to shoot him? Why them can't shoot him? Him alone the car them a drive, man a walk. You have a man clears off your bust out him head. Why? So that's one of them things I'm sure say. That was very organized. And some police them have some background history right there say yo. But yeah. It messed up. Trust me, it messed up. And then further now me I hear say them slap for the man did a video, barber man, whatever. Me don't know if it's true that or whatever, but yeah. Most can't take it, yo. Me at what point I say, Jano, why them have to do this? Me know say working, yo. Why people rob, why people kill, why people do them something here? More somebody tell me, yo, why? What coming here? What take over your mind? Say, yo, me gonna rob somebody today. What take over your mind? Why you think to do that? Why? Just why? Them something that need for you don't have no need for you to do them thing there. You know, but such is life, yeah, man. No, just yesterday, I scroll through my Instagram. This is downtown Kingston now, me I tell you about that. Downtown Kingston, Jamaica now, you know, right? I see this, I watch this somebody's story, basically. Commentator. Cause you know, say man, the Jamaica, everybody in Jamaica come like a news reporter when they come on to a crime scene or a gun scene or whatever. Everybody in Jamaica come on like them as some news reporter. But anyways, this one I do again. My commentator say you hear beer shot sound like a AK a beat and blah blah blah. And I go around downtown in that video, go in a different style them. The past one, you saw woman spread right there, so the whole of her head gone. You pass the next one, you see the next man spread right, so the whole of it. And I saw him go around and a comment by and them video everything to my show and say, why when people dead, you go a funeral there take picture, why Jamaicans stay so yo? Do you know? But just the incident that I'm telling you about at downtown, it made me afraid to go back to Jamaica, yo. I don't know why. I'm afraid to go back. I mean, yeah, they can't believe it. I'm a born and grew in Jamaica. Maybe it's because I'm not there. I'm just somewhere else and I look from Jamaica from a different place now. I say it actually bad. And Jamaica is not bad because me there Jamaica not bad. I don't know if I get at me left or whatever because me there in Jamaica I'm not saying. I never live uptown and I never live a rich life. You see me? But what? Never get rabbit and nah, I still get shot and thing, yes, but I don't know, maybe right. My piece are true when you're there. You feel, you know. You can't say. I can't say, when you're there, you know, go look upon it as a bad way. You see me, I go see it as, cause maybe I don't know the background of why the person gets slapped or not, that when you're there. When you're there, you don't know the story, you know, yes, so this amount of people there, this amount of people do that. You're not going to know what really cause it. But yet still, it still look bad, yo. I'm afraid to go back a lot. I don't know why I'm afraid to go back a lot. Afraid to go back a lot, dog. I know. Now we'll move on to the topic of YouTube, people. YouTube is not hard. For all I know who on the YouTube not hard. YouTube very easy to me, basically. Because once you know what people are going to watch and you know your audience, you govern. I try everything. I used to do comedy. Until I say, yo, everybody at Jamaica feels that we are comedian, feels that we're funny. I not lie. I used to do comedy. I used to get a good amount of joke out there. People used to laugh and all them something there. But what, me I said, too much somebody do this. And all the way I going to make it in a comedy. So I used to stick to my vlogging because I love vlogging and I love watch vlogs and all. You see me? And me get the opportunity to say me I come to America now, why not do vlogging? Why you don't do it either? Why not do vlogging? You understand? So that's what I did. And I rather do this and make people watch me and just enjoy my life. You know what I mean? And still make it entertaining. So like look. You know, serious, I'm telling you, I'm going to say mackerel official videos and all them something there because what? YouTube, you need to get 1,000 subscribers first and you need to have 4,000 watch hours. We already have 1,000 subscribers long time, but we never reach 4,000 watch hours. I upload a video with mackerel official. The first, when she just got viral, I see, listen, see YouTube, I upload all 50 odd videos with the people and I talk, you know, right? I make them talk and I entertain and I say, oh, this nice. I didn't watch it, you know. Make a video about mackerel official and I never say nothing in the video, people. Nothing. I just sit down and I look. And I react to our react to our video them. All I go Instagram video them. I don't say nothing in the video. Get 25,000 views. So I say, okay, since that's what people want to watch, and I need 4,000 watch hours. Make more mackerel videos. I'm talking about whole comedy and a whole series. You see me, I'm going to collect the views them. I propose to mackerel official, I get 20k. You see me? I make a reaction video, I just sit down for 10 minutes and cry. I get 14k. So basically, I just get something where I trend now. Listen,